Hi. So today I'm going to talk about an interesting couple. So this couple came and met us around 3 to 4 years back when they are newly married. So at that point of time, they tried to have a natural conception, but nothing helped him. For the husband, it was the motility and morphology are little poor, and the wife parameters are kind of normal. But after 3 to 4 years, like as they are unable to conceive, they planned for the IVF procedure, and this is a day 5 blast which are formed after the IVF procedure. Actually, we had retrieved around 12 eggs, and the fertilization was done, and good embryos were found. This is actually 3 cryologs are frozen, so hopefully we are expecting a positive pregnancy from this embryo. Thank you.